So she was in about 3 weeks ago and had 3 beautiful hanging baskets that used to look like this. And now they look like this. So what's going on? Well, that's what we're trying to dig into, and what I really want to talk about is what I call auditing yourself. Okay, so what do I mean by when I say audit yourself? That means that you need to take a good hard look, an honest assessment of what you're doing. Because if this is what these hanging baskets looked like, and now they look like this, the proof is in the pudding of something's wrong. These baskets are stressed out and they're telling you something is wrong. So you really have to be a willing student and be willing to say, you know what? Obviously something's going on and the person that's responsible for it is me. So being honest with yourself and auditing yourself of what is going on with these baskets. Now that's where we really have to dig into it and figure out why. That's where we're getting her back on track, and you know, I'm so glad that she was a willing student. She was willing to audit herself, and she was willing to ask me for help and say, Scott, what am I doing wrong? There's something, because this is what they looked like a few weeks ago, this is what they look like now. Hey, if you're liking our videos, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. And we have lots of videos, and be sure to head on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website, where we have lots of blog articles, tips and tricks on garden and plant care just like this. You can head over to our beatyourneighbor.com website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.